Hi, this is Matt Dimitrition of Telemus Capital with the week in review for the week ending January 8th of 2021. A record-setting run in 2020 carried forward into 2021 despite unrest in Washington, D.C. Each major index set record highs, with the Russell 2000 being the big winner, gaining 5.9%. The Nasdaq Composite was up 2.4%, while the S&P 500 appreciated 1.8%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lifted 1.6%. Last week's positive momentum was dominated by expansionary manufacturing data out of the US, Eurozone, and Asia. In addition, expectations for greater stimulus out of what is now a Democratic-controlled government, along with oil production cuts by Saudi Arabia, contributed to the week's gains. The energy sector rallied 9.3% amid sharply higher oil prices, while materials, financials, and consumer discretionary sectors added between 3% and 6% on the week. The less economically sensitive sectors, such as real estate, consumer staples, utilities, and communication services, finished the week in negative territory. As you can see from the chart in the lower right-hand corner, it's a fairly wide dispersion across returns at the sector level. Tech stocks received solid support from semiconductors, which were up 5% last week. The bond market had an active week as short-term yields held nearly flat, while long-term rates rose. The 10-year Treasury yield in particular was up a whopping 19 basis points to finish the week at 1.12%. A steeper yield curve was a key influence for the performance of interest rate-sensitive financial stocks. In other markets, the price of West Texas crude oil was up nearly 9% to settle at $52.73 a barrel. The dollar finished slightly higher, while the price of gold reversed over the second half of the week to finish down 2.7% at $1,850 an ounce. As we look ahead to the coming week, we'll begin to get fourth quarter earnings reports in the back half of the week. This will provide a bit of perspective on how the coronavirus may have impacted results during the fourth quarter, as well as some color on what companies think on the year ahead. This concludes the week in review for the week ending January 8th of 2021. Thanks, stay safe, and enjoy your week.